Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today we are going to discuss about the age relaxation for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor and Public Prosecutor of Central Bureau of Investigation, which has been notified by the UPSC through advertisement number 04/2021, and also the Delhi Assistant Public Prosecutor post, which was notified by the UPSC through advertisement number 02/2021. Now the question is, what are the relaxation available for the post to apply? First of all, we would like to tell you that the maximum age which has been given for the said post is for Assistant Public Prosecutor in Delhi government. It is 30 years as on closing date of the advertisement. That is the date of the last date to apply for the examination is reckoned for the age. That is, you have to see in the advertisement number 202/2021 the last date of advertisement. Till that time, till that date, you should not have exceeded the maximum age given. That is, if anybody is on that date is exceeding 30 years and 1 day, even then he is not eligible to apply for the said post in the general and UR category, and so on with the other categories. Like if any person who is belonging to the OBC category of the central list has crossed the age of 33 years, and on that day he is 33 years and 1 day, even for a 1 day, he will not be eligible to apply for these posts. So hence you are requested to kindly check it, as when you will fill the online application, a prompt will appear that your age has been exceeded and you cannot apply for this post. A pop-up will appear when you will apply on these posts through the website of UPSC in the online recruitment advertisement, an application which has been designed and developed by UPSC to apply for these posts. Now what is the maximum age for the Delhi Assistant Public Prosecutor? The age maximum is for general and UR category is 30 years as on closing date, and for OBC, but in Delhi APP, that is a Delhi Assistant Public Prosecutor, this OBC category will only be belonging to Delhi. Means the people who are applying for Delhi Assistant Public Prosecutor post must hold a OBC certificate of Delhi government issued by the Delhi government. The central list OBC candidate cannot apply for these posts. The people or the candidate who have got a OBC certificate from Delhi government can only apply for Delhi government Assistant Public Prosecutor post of advertisement number 02/2021. Plus, apart from age, you must hold a law degree and you must have experience of 3 years at a bar for the Delhi Assistant Public Prosecutor. I am telling you, which was notified by the UPSC through 02/2021. Now we come to the advertisement number 04/2021, that is CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, Assistant Public Prosecutor and Public Prosecutor exam. For the Assistant Public Prosecutor of CBI, the maximum age is 30 years. 30 years for UR and general category, and for OBC, in that you must have a central OBC certificate. That is a certificate issued by any state. Like suppose if somebody is belonging to Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, UP or any other state, that person should fall in the state list of that OBC of that state. Plus there is a list, there is a category, there are castes which are notified by the central government, that is called a central list of OBC, and that person should fall in the central list of OBC in order to get a central OBC certificate. Then only he can claim the age relaxation of CBI APP 3 years in a OBC category. SC ST, the relaxation is for 5 years. So that means for the CBI Assistant Public Prosecutor exam, a general or UR category, as on closing date, he must not be above 30 years. For OBC of central list, must not be above 33 years, and for SC ST candidate must not be above 35 years. In addition to this, you will get a relaxation if somebody is belong to central government job. They will get the relaxation if they have completed 3 years of 3 years of service in central government. They will get 5 years additional relaxation for the age. as the case of other categories. Like you, if anybody is belonging to ex-serviceman category, then also they will get a relaxation. So these are criteria which are defined in the through the advertisement, and you will, when the online application will in the online application, everything is inbuilt. In the online application, everything is very well clearly inbuilt, and there will be a pop-up if you are overage or underage, whatever the criteria is. Now next comes to the question for the what is the maximum age for CBI PP, that is CBI public prosecutor. First of all, for CBI APP, you must be not beyond 30 years for general category and must hold a law degree, but there is no experience certificate required for that post. Second, for OBC category, a person should not be above 33 years of age as on closing date, and he must hold a law degree. For SC/ST candidate, the age must not exceed 35 years age as on closing date of the advertisement. Now comes to the question of next is CBI PP. The CBI PP age, maximum age is 35 years of age. That means a general and UR category must not can apply up to a maximum age of 35 years. That means 35 years as on closing date of advertisement for the general and UR categories. For the OBC, central list OBC candidates, it is 3 years relaxation, that is they can apply up to 38 years of age, and for the SC/ST it is up to 35 plus 5, that is 40 years, plus other relaxation in addition to that is also available, like ex-serviceman quota, central government job, and all those criteria are different, which are very clearly mentioned. So as we can see in the advertisement itself, it is mentioned the age limit shown against the other backward classes, the age limit shown against all the normal ages 3 years, and for SC/ST it is 5 years. And also if we'll go forward in the application, we can see that there is an PWBD, that is person with disabilities. They will get a relaxation if the disability is 40% or more. So they will get a certificate. On the basis of the certificate, they can apply for this post on the basis of PWBD. Headquarters, it is mentioned on the every advertisement that what is a headquarters. And for the probation, as I have already told you in the earlier videos, the probation is 1 year for the CBI PP, and for the CBI APP the probation period is 2 years. After 2 years of 2 years of probation, you will be confirmed into the services, and this is a permanent post. All three posts are permanent. Delhi APP, CBI PP, CBI APP, all three posts are permanent posts. There is no temporary post. Minimum qualification for CBI PP, it is law degree plus 7 years of experience at bar. For CBI APP, it is only a law graduate. A fresh law graduate can apply. In Delhi APP, a fresh law graduate plus 3 years of experience in the bar, and the bar experience certificate will be taken from the concerned bar council where you have registered yourself. That means you will get a certificate which you have to take it from your bar council, and that you have to upload in the advertisement while applying for these posts. Because if you fail to attach those certificate, then you will not be considered for these posts, even though if you are able to qualify the examination. Now comes to the next question, that what is a fees. Fees is rupees 25 for general and UR categories and OBC categories. For SC/ST and person with disabilities, it is exempted. It is entirely exempted. It is very clearly mentioned. The upper age limit in case of ex-servicemen and commission officer, including ECOs and SSCOs, is also given on the point number 5, which you can go. And for the central government, it is also mentioned in the point number C, age relaxation for central government employees. That what is the maximum relaxation? 5 years is relaxation is given for general categories, 8 years for for OBC categories, and 10 years for SC/ST categories. Means suppose if you are falling in the category of UR, that means, and you are applying for CBI APP post, then your 30 years plus 5, that means up to 35 years you can apply. For OBC categories, they can apply up to 38 years, and for SC/ST categories you can apply up to 40 years in CBI APP. If you will come to the CBI PP, then a general category person can apply up to 40 years of age. For OBC category posts, they can apply up to 43 years of age, and for SC/ST candidate, you can apply up to 45 years of age. So this is about the age relaxation in the different posts given by the UPSC in these advertisements, which you have to very clearly note it down, because you are only eligible if you are fall within the ambit of these age relaxations and within these ages. Otherwise, you are not eligible to apply for these posts. Hence, friends, I am stopping here itself. And now, if any other queries is there, please post your comments so that I can clarify those issues also in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for the subscription. Please comment, please press the like and bell icon, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.